Hello, long time no see. Now, I'm a bit out of whack with my schedule of filming for these postcards. So the last one I filmed was number 11. Number 12, I said that's not right. The last one I filmed was number 12, but managed to actually delete the video and I couldn't get it back. So this is what I did for day 12. So that turned out really nice. I like that one. So I did a bit of stenciling on the paper. I'll just go through some of the cards, see if I can find one that's similar to that. I think I've already used it, so I can show you how it started out. I think I've used it already. Never mind. But yeah, so now I'm running behind schedule, and I know we're only supposed to do one a day, but I'm going to be doing 2 today, and I'll probably be doing 2 tomorrow, or 2 on my next video. I just found more cards here. It was similar to that. It started off looking something like that. But anyway, let's shuffle the deck and get the show on the road. So I can pick 2 cards today because I'm going to do 2 and beg for forgiveness. Alright, so here we go. So I'm going to do that another 2 times. Whatever's on the top is what I'm going to use, and I think I'll take the top 2. That's how I'll do it. Okay, so we're going to do this one and that one. Okay, so this one is one that I've used a similar one before with the same paper. It's got that writing underneath it, so that's grocery bag on that one, and that was my runoff brayer-off paper. And then I've got some stenciling on this one, so that doesn't need too much. That needs a fair bit, so I'm going to think about what I'm going to put on there, and I'll be back. So I'm going to use a stencil to create this lady. And then I think I'll put some sort of strange face on her. So I'm going to use some black paint, I believe. And apply that with a sponge. And this is a Timu stencil, so in case anyone's wondering. Have a look through here. Actually, don't mind that on there. It's a bit big. I wonder if her face would look better if I cut that around. Yeah, that looks cool. Like that. I've got this, which is I did like I got masterboard. That's part of the masterboard that was cut up. So she's going on there. Now I want something for that to be to have behind it. I got this paper. It's called cicada paper. It's a bit like a tissue, and I think it's meant to be used for wrapping flowers or something, wrapping around flowers. So I'm going to put a bit of that on. So I'll stick this to that first. So I want a torn edge. So I'll place it there. and tear around it. That's perfect. And I should go around that with white. I feel it needs it. She looks cool. I like that. Trim this down a little bit. I want to put something around the edge of this. So it'll either be white or black. This is white Stabilo. Actually, I got a woody. I use the woody because it's thicker. So that's number 13. And I think I would like to just go around the edge of her hair. Hopefully this doesn't ruin it. That's it. That's all I'm doing. So that's number 13 done. Hopefully that's going to stick. Okay, so I'll put that one to the side. Now I've got this one. Yeah, I haven't made up my mind what I want to do with that yet. But I've got this photo off to the side that I thought maybe I can get that in there somewhere. And then when I tore this off that, I had a thought about this stuff. So I'm going to scrunch it up. And I'm thinking that I might stick it on, so crunch it up, you know, like put it on and squeeze it. I'm not sure where it's going to end up, so I'm going to put glue all over this. And I'm just going to plonk that down and just do this. flatten it down with my brayer. That looks like spider web or something, doesn't it? Really like that. And does this go on here now or what? I don't think it does anymore. I'll find something else to put on that. And I've got a leaf on this, so I want to use that. And I've got this bit of leaf as well. That looks like a cat now, doesn't it? I've got a good imagination. Man, that looks like a cat. I just had an idea. No. I've got that other face. Maybe I could stick that other face on there. Some people didn't get my spider lady, so I don't know whether they'd get my cat woman either. I really want to use that. I'm going to give it a more distinct ear on this side. You know, you just make these things up as you go along. Well, I do anyway. I don't know about the rest of you. It's starting to look a little bit less like a cat now, but let's see. Keep that like that. I love to have that little brown bit in there. Yeah, I know what I'm going to do. I'm going to stick that on. It's going to be the body. You never know unless you try. So we have a body to go there. I'm just going to tear that bit off. Like so. And I'm going to make a tail. Yeah, have I got enough of this? Maybe she has to have a tail made out of something else. Let's just trim down this red thing a little bit. Like that. She's going to go there. And then I'm going to cut a tail out of this. So, what can I get one out of this? If I could get one out of this, it would be better because it's the same colour. I should stick the face on. And then let's draw in some feet, some legs. I think I might be wrecking this. She needs whiskers. I think I'll draw them on. And her nose should be like a little cat's nose. How do they look? Where'd those cats go? Yellows to below. Woody. Woody or wouldn't he? Okay, there we have it. 13 and 14. So these faces are from Collage Soup. I reckon, oops, her nose needs to be coloured in, I don't know, it should be pink. I just happen to have a pink Woody sitting here doing nothing. That was fun. Alright, let me know in the comments what you think of these. See you in the next one.